कर्णिकारं विप्रत वासु कनकविशं वैजंत मालम रंध्रानो बेनो रथसुद पुराण गोपवृंद बिंदारणं सपदरवन राविसद गिति was beautiful, this form of Krishna. They discuss. But all these things they also speaking indirectly. Because prem is one thing, prem not direct manifest many things. Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad explained love, prem in love. Love is as like campfire. You know campfire? And if you campfire put in the open place, then after a few hours it will be nothing. And smell will not come. Campfire should be kept in one what is called container and also blocks. The block means covered. A flame is open, love is open. The love is not perfect love. Love is visible. For this regard, Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad, he manifested one very nice, beautiful book that is called Prema Samput Grantha. Very nice, beautiful this Grantha. Prema Samput, this Grantha. Why I am saying this? Because when Vipralambha is coming, that time they express their sentiments, bhav to each others, gopis also. So Vipralambha, 4 types of Vipralambha and separation are 4 types of meeting. Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Prema Vaichitta. That is called 4 types of separation meeting. Are 4 types of meeting also. Sankirna, Sankipta, Sampurna and Samriddhaman meeting. So for this regard, Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad explained this. How much you feel in separation, and that types of quantity you also release the meeting. Bina vipralambena samhut pushte masnute jatharite kasaita vas. Without separation, meeting will not realizable. This is very important. For this regard, Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad explained this vipralambha bhav, separation, dancing on the head of the meeting. So how much you feeling separation, and that types of realizable of meeting is coming on this. Let's give an example. No bina viprana sambhoga pushti masnute jatha ranjita kasaita vastra. They are like the cloth and white cloth. If you put in the saffron dye, more and more if you put in the saffron dye, that will be what? More delightfulness that will be. In the same way, Jogamaya arrange these things. They have gopis, they feel separation from Krishna, and then the meeting will be more realizable. So this is the process also. So for this regard, Sukdev Goswami Pad, Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 21st chapter. First he glorified our gopis, Vipralambha Bhav. That is called Purvarag. Very nice people to the Venugit. Krishna is the supreme personality of God, it's Son Bhagavan. Is it true? But he has 64 qualifications. But 4 qualifications that is called extraordinary. And Rupamadhurya, sweetness of his beauty. Then Nilamadhurya, sweetness of his divine pastimes. Then Prema Madhurya, sweetness of his divine love. Or fourth, Venu Madhurya, sweetness of the sound of his flute. And Venu Madhurya. So Sukadeva Goswami Pad, in this 21st chapter, and Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, glorified about Krishna's Venu Madhurya Katha is coming. And in this Venu Madhurya, and the sound of the fruit of Govinda, then Srimati Radhika, she recited this verse. Ye Hamtaya Udri Avala Haridas Varjo Jad Ram Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopa Gani Paniya Sujabasha Kandara Kandam. They try to hide everything in their heart, but when prem is coming very high stage, and not possible to everything and hide. But what do you manifest? So Gopi says, actually this verse recited by Srimati Radhika. Yahantai Vadri Avala Haridaso Bhaja. Srimati Radhika Sita. Hello. I was Giriraj Govardhan with the topmost what is it called? Sin is servant of Krishna, our beloved Krishna. This is the servant. Here in this verse, use this word, Haridaso Bhaja. What is it? Haridaso Bhaja. Srimad Bhagavatam discourses three Haridasas. One is called Yudhishthira Maharaj, who is called Haridas, and completely surrendered to Krishna. Narad Rishi himself glorified to Yudhishthira Maharaj. Srimad Bhagavatam kitne bhi Juam Niloke Vatavuri Bhaga Jesam Grihana Vasati Saksha. This verse is very easy. Narad Rishi, he told, hey Yudhishthira Maharaj, how a great fortune. Gurang Brahma Niloke. Krishna is the supreme personality of God is and Bhagavan. He is staying in our house. And he manifests in the form of a human being form. And he is very nice. Family's member also. Yudhishthira, Pandavas, Yudhishthira also Nakul, Sahadev, Kunti, and Draupadi. How they have love and affection with Krishna. When Krishna, when he feels some, what is called, tiredness, then he used to come in the house of Pandavas and staying in their house. How they have love and affection with them. So it says, Juam Niloke Vatavuri Bhaga. This verse recited by Narad Rishi and glorified to Yudhishthira Maharaj. As Juam, all you are Pandavas. Juam Niloke Vatavuri Bhaga Jesam Griyanam Vasati Saksat. And Gurang Prabhrahma Manusya Lingam. And all the demigods headed by Brahma used to come to the house of Pandavas and taking the what is called food dust from their what is called doorstep. This Virat. So why? Because Yudhishthira Maharaj completely, absolutely surrender to the feet of Krishna. So first he is called Haridas. A second Haridas, another Haridas, Uddhava. Very near dear friends of Krishna. Though Krishna is the supreme personality of God, saying Bhagavan. He knows everything, what to do, not to do. He can take decision everything. But sometimes he asks to Uddhava, Uddhava, what will do, what not to do. For this regard, Sukadeva Goswami Pad glorified about also Yudhishthira Maharaj, Uddhava. The fourth qualification of Uddhava. What is that? Vrishnang Pravara Mantri. First, Vishnu Krishna Sati. First line. Not remember. Huh? Krishna Sadaita Sakha. Uddhava Buddhi Sattva. And Vishnang Pravaro Mantri. Krishna Sadaita Sakha. Shishya Brihaspati Sakshat. Uddhava Buddhi Sattva. Vishnang Pravaro Mantri is a very prominent person in Vishnu Vamsa. It is called Yadu dynasty. Vishnang Pravaro. And Mantri is the advisor of Krishna. Vishnang Pravaro Mantri, Krishna's Dvaita Sakha. And Krishna's very bosom friend was. Asisya Brihaspati. He is the disciple of Brihaspati, who is the guru of heavenly planet demigod. Or Uddhava Buddhi Sattamam. Uddhava is very intelligent and very calming boy. So for this regard, Krishna told to Uddhava, Gacchaddam Brajesomam Pratimam Prativava Madhvyonam Gopi Gopinam Mat Sandesekai Vimorcha. Very nice, beautiful story. When Krishna left Vrindavan, Vrindavan to came in Mathura. Then Krishna, he felt frank of separation from the Brajavasis. Day and night he was crying and crying, shedding tears. Then once Uddhava, he met with Krishna. And that time Krishna completely absorbed in the separation mode of Brajavasi and especially Srimati Radhika. And that time Krishna could not control his mood, heart, head, his mind, everything else. Then Krishna hold the hand of Uddhava. Paninang Pani Gritva. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told. Krishna hold the hands of Uddhava and crying and shedding tears. And then Uddhava, he also, Krishna, he told to Uddhava, Vachattam Brajesomam Pratimam Prativava Madhyona Gopi Gopina Mat Sandespai Vimorcha. You Uddhava, you have to go Braj. Vachattam Brajesomam. And you also pacify my parents and give my message. This is my beloved gopis. It's very simple. Prachodam Brajesomam Pratimam Prativava Madhyonam Gopi Gopinam Mat Sandesekai Vimorcha. So in this way, Uddhava is very near and dearest of Krishna. So for this regard, he is called Haridasa or Haridas Vedabha. Or Haridasa Varja Tapmas. This is called Giriraj Govardhan. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she recited the verse Antayo Adri Avala Haridasu Varjo Jad Ram Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramado Manang Tanoti Sahagopa Burning Paniya Sujavasa Kandra Kandamulu. Srimati Radhika Sita. Yes? How will we meet with our beloved to our Krishna? Yes? Because Giriraj Govardhan, with his body, mind, space, everything, then offer to Krishna and serve to Krishna. Mahater Kripa Vina Kuno Karma Bhakti Nai Krishna Bhakti Dure Rahu Sansar Nahi Kar. What is our Sansar Dasa? Sansar Dasa understand? Are wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. According to our karma, or you are wandering in the same cycle of repeated birth and death. This is samsara dasa. Suffering three folds of Maya, Adnaic, Adidaivik, and Aditya. Simply unlimited time, all we are wandering in the same cycle of repeated birth and death. When our this samsara dasa will reduce, then you will get the association of sadhus. Without association of sadhu sangha, any method, our samsara dasa will be not reduced. This is true. Without association of sadhu, bhakti devi will not manifest in our heart. Krishna bhakti janma mool or sadhu sangha. The root cause of Krishna bhakti, they call association with sadhu. Sadhu. But Srimati Radhika, she is very humble. She is saying, with the topmost sadhu, Giriraj Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan ki just. Bhai, Giriraj Govardhan, he serves our beloved Krishna, who is body, mind, everything. And not only the Giriraj Govardhan, he is the witness of all the sweet amorous pastimes of divine called Radha and Krishna. But the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very nicely glorified about Giriraj Govardhan also. Are they so? No. Govardhana me Visatam Avistam. Krishna Prasadena Samasta Sailai.
Krishna Prasadena Samasta Sailai.
Samrajyam Apratu Savitna. Govardhana me Visatam. All the because Giriraj Govardhan is the witness. All the sweet amorous pastimes of divine Radha and Krishna. This is called Jatraiva Ganga Ununavi Radha Arujya Madhetu Nimakna Nunka. This sloka also is Giriraj Govardhan, witness. Everything is there. So without this taking shelter of Giriraj Govardhan, how possible Bhakti Devi will manifest in you? Not possible. Giriraj Govardhan is. Giriraj Govardhan is the for the Brajavasis, that is called heart and soul with this Premdhan. So Srimati Radhika is very humble, she is saying, O Sargis, all you go to Giriraj Govardhan, pray to them. Because Giriraj Govardhan serves our beloved Govinda Krishna. So he Amtayo Adri Avala Haridasu Varju Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda. And especially Krishna with his friends Subal, Siddham, Madhumangal and Baladev Prabhu, when they used to come on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. And then Giriraj Govardhan mentioned many kinds of caves in there. And then in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan, they perform sweet Leela also. Right? With these words. Right? And especially in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan, Radha Krishna, they perform sweet amorous pastimes. Right? And also Giriraj Govardhan manifests Sugandha Sailai. Giriraj Govardhan mentioned one type of what is called sila, meaning stone. Yes? Just you put water and rub your hand, automatically sweet fragrance will come in this. And still if you go, and that stone is also in there. And Sila Govardhan Sila in there. When first we also did Giriraj Govardhan Annapurna Mahotsav in nearby Madhi Bhavan, many years ago. And we had one very nice, beautiful there story. If you put water and little bit your hand rub, then your hand will be completely what? A reddish color. Anurag, and the sweet fragrance. So in the same way, Giriraj Govardhan manifested that types of sila. And Gopis, they also taken that the sila and also Gopi dot to the Krishna. And Giriraj Govardhan manifests many kinds of roots. Kandamula, Kandamula. And the Krishna and Sakhas, they also taking that. In the summer time, Giriraj Govardhan and giving very nice cool water. Waterfalls come. This study we went there, waterfall. And Giriraj Govardhan. He is coming this way. At the time of Giriraj, at the time of Krishna, how Giriraj Govardhan meant that types of waterfalls coming this way. And Krishna and his friends, Subal, Sridham, Madhubanga, they also taking baths in there, and very nice, beautiful places there. And winter time, that time Giriraj Govardhan also gave a little bit warm water coming. In the side of Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna and his friends, they are also taking rest. And the top of Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna performs sweet Leela with the gopis also Raj dancing there. So many Leelas in there. So actually everything Srimati Radhika she hide in her heart, but she is very humble. She is saying, okay, we'll go to Giriraj Govardhan. And so Hanta Udri Abala Varidasu Varjo Jad Ram Krishna Charna Sparsa Pramoda. They are used this word Ram and Krishna. And the Ram means Balaram. When Krishna and Balaram, they climbed on the Giriraj Govardhan. Then Giriraj Govardhan's body completely start to tremble. Romancha Kampasa. Actually, Vishwanath Chakravarti passes Rama Krishna. Here Ram means not Balaram. Ram means Ramayati iti Ram. That means Krishna's very nice, beautiful lotus feet, reddish color, and kumkum color. When Krishna climbed on the Giriraj Govardhan, then Giriraj Govardhan start to say, because this kumkum color coming. Actually, this kumkum color is coming from where? From Srimati Radhika. But Srimati Radhika, she is very humble. She is not saying her own things. She is saying, Jat Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manam Tanati Soho Gopo Gopo Kane Paniya Sujabasa Kandra Kandamule. So in this way, Giriraj Govardhan, with his body, mind, space, serves to our beloved Krishna. So we have to take shelter to the feet of Giriraj Govardhan. And Giriraj Govardhan, this is important. And Gurudev again and again he also glorified about Giriraj Govardhan. And Giriraj Govardhan two eyes as like Radha Kunda and Syam Kunda. Listen. And especially Radha Kunda is topmost place. Sometimes Jatila Kutila maybe used to come Surya Kunda, or maybe come on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. But Radha Kunda, that place is completely what? Protected by Yogamaya. Only those who are the same mood of Srimati Radhika, that is called Sapaksha Gopi, they can enter in there. No one can enter in this one. It's very topmost place. Particular Rupa Goswami Pad explain Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri Tatrapi Ras Utsavad Vindaran Mudara Pani Ramana Tatrapi Bobo Dhana Radha Kunda Opi Bokulo Pate Prema Mrita Ravana Pujad Virajito Viviki Nopa. And was a sober person, intelligent person. Therefore, is thinking, I will go to the topmost place that is called Radha. Rupa Goswami step by step explain. Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri. Mathurapuri is higher than Vaikuntha. But Vrindavan is higher than Mathurapuri. Why? Because Krishna performs sweet was theoretical. Rasa Leela. In Vrindavan. Actually, that Rasa Leela is called Saradhiya Rasa Leela. What is called? Saradhiya. Autumn season Rasa Leela or Panchayati Rasa Leela. Saradhiya Rasa Leela. Autumn season Rasa. But Giriraj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. Why? Because Krishna performs sweet Vasantik Rasa Leela in the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. There is a Chandra Sarovar there. Very nice, beautiful place. But Radha Kunda, that is called Maharasa Leela. And only Chandra Sarovar here is called Saradhiya Rasa Leela in Vrindavan. All types of gopis there assembled. Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tatraksha, Sridpaksha, Shudichari, Munichari. Many kinds of gopis there. Or lap of Giriraj Govardhan, Vasantik Rasa Leela, only Sapaksha and Vipaksha. And Radha Kunda, only Srimati Radhika Sapaksha Gopis. And that place very confidence place. No one can enter without taking shelter or lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. No one can go Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda is topmost place is there. Patijiga Rupa Goswami Pad Upati Samrita. This part says Vaikuntha Janito Vara. This part says Radha Kunda is topmost place. And in this Radha Kunda, 8 corners of Radha Kunda, Ashtakunda Radha Kunda. And Ashtasakis, Kunja is there also. Lalita Devi's Kunda name is called Lalitananda Kunja. Visakha Devi's Kunda name is called Visakhananda Kunja. And in this 8 Sakis Kunja is there. And the middle of Radha Kunda, that is called Sananda Sakhoda Kunja. Ananga Manjari's Kunja is there. The younger sister of Srimati Radhika. Ananga Manjari's Kunja in the middle. And Jogmyasi arranged one very nice, beautiful bridge and with the flowers, petals. When Srimati Radhika used to come that place in the middle of Radha Kunda. And that is that bridge also disappeared. And Srimati Radhika sitting and with her saris and Bhakam Such Lila. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur Kamal Manjari glorified about Srimati Radha Kunda. Chintamani Mai Radha Kunda Tata Tahe Kunja Sata Sata Prabhala Vidruma Mayatoru Lata Mukta Phale Abanata Mukta Phale Abanata Mukta Phale Abanata Tahe Kunja Sata Sata. And Anybody can sing this song? We sing. Chintamani Man. We sing. Huh? Govinda. 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 It's nice song. Now Arati, when you take too much time. Because I should explain this. Here we have come here. All these are Uddipan ka stimulation coming. Viraj, Govardhan, Brijvasis, and Kushali Prabhuji, he told one thing, there is so much heart touches word. That is called Bhakti and Bhakti Rash. We use this word. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, most of our Acharya, they glorified about Bhakti. For Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inspired in the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad, then he explained about Bhakti Rash. Before that, people are thinking Bhakti and Bhakti Rash the same. But Rupa Goswami Pad clarified what is the meaning of Bhakti and Bhakti Rash. Maybe next time we will discuss. But now, because time is over. Oh, Samuni Mai Radha Kunda. Arati bolo.
Krishna Vanshi Radha Radhe Radhe Murali
जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन राधे 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 श्याम राधे राधे श्याम श्याम राधे 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 श्याम राधे राधे श्याम श्याम राधे श्याम जुगल मेरो है जीवन राधे श्याम जुगल मेरो है जीवन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन राधे 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 श्याम राधे राधे श्याम श्याम राधे 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 श्याम राधे राधे श्याम श्याम राधे श्याम जुगल मेरो है जीवन राधे श्याम जुगल मेरो है जीवन श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार श्यामी मेरो भरतार श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार श्यामी मेरो भरतार श्यामी समायूं आठों जम तन मन की श्यामी समायूं आठों जम तन मन की कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठो जाम नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठो जाम राख रुचि सोज ठाकुरानी राख रुचि सोज ठाकुरानी जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार श्यामी मेरो भरता श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार श्यामी मेरो भरता श्यामी समायूं आठों जम तन मन की श्यामी समायूं आठों जम तन मन की कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठों जाम नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठों जाम राख रुचि सोजई ठाकुरानी राख रुचि सोजई ठाकुरानी की। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। मेरा एक प्राण धन एक ये जीवन, मेरा एक प्राण धन एक ये जीवन। नंदन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन, नंदन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। ओ रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। स्वामी सो मेरो प्यार स्वामी मेरो वर्तान, स्वामी सो मेरो प्यार स्वामी मेरो वर्तान। स्वामी समायो आठो जाम तन मन की, स्वामी समायो आठो जाम तन मन की। जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन। मेरो एक प्राण धन एक ये जीवन, मेरो एक प्राण धन एक ये जीवन। नंदन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन, नंदन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन। जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन।